Hello class 1, welcome to your English literature class children. So we have completed the syllabus of unit test 1. Today we are going to start with a new chapter. So open your book at page number 44 and this is chapter number 4. Okay, this is chapter 4. So please open your book at page number 4444. So what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is The Tale of Miss Moppet. The tale means what? Tale means short stories. Okay, tale means short stories. Now here we'll read about Miss Miss Moppet. So it is a cat. It is the name of a cat in this story. Okay. Now the first one, let's see whether Miss Moppet the cat will be able to catch the clever little mouse behind the cupboard. So it's a story about a cat and a mouse. Okay, and the name of the cat is Miss Moppet. Now as you all know that cats always chase mouse, right? Now here in the story we'll read the same and let us see at the end of the story that whether the cat is able to catch the mouse or not. Okay, this is let us read. Take a pencil in your hand and if you find any difficult word you will underline it. Let us read from the beginning. This is a cat called Miss Moppet. She thinks she has heard a mouse. Now here in this picture you can see the picture of a cat. Its name is Miss Moppet and this is a mouse, right? Now this cat Miss Moppet, now it feels that she could hear a mouse. Okay, now this is mouse peeping out behind the cupboard. Now we can see a mouse that is peeping behind a cupboard. Here this is the mouse. This is the picture of the mouse. Peeping means to look like this. Okay, so it is peeping uh, behind a cupboard. Okay, behind the cupboard you can see on the picture given on page number 45. So a mouse, it is peeping out behind the cupboard and making fun of Miss Moppet. He is not afraid of the kitten, and this mouse, it is not afraid of the cat. Okay, it is not afraid of a kitten. Kitten means young one of a cat, right? And it is making fun of Miss Moppet. It means that it is making fun of the Miss Moppet, means the cat. This is Miss Moppet jumping just too late. She misses the mouse and hits her own head. She thinks it is very hard covered. Now what happened? This cat, it is after it want to catch the mouse, but this moped is jumping so late. It jumps very slowly. Okay, as a result of this she misses the mouse. It could not catch the mouse. On the other hand, it hit her own head. This mouse, it hit her own head against the cupboard. Okay, she thinks it is a very hard cupboard. She got hard and she thinks that the cupboard is very hard because she hit her head against the cupboard when she was trying to catch the the mouse. Okay, now come to page number 45. This is page number 45. We can see the picture of this cat and the mouse here. Now, the mouse watches Miss Moppet from the top of the cupboard. Now the the mouse is watching the cat from the top of the cupboard. It is sitting on the top of the cupboard and it is watching the cat. Okay, Miss Moppet ties up her head in a duster and sits before the fire. Now it got hard. Okay, she took a duster, means a cloth, small cloth, and she ties up her head in the duster and she sits before the fire, and she is sitting before the fire, and the mouse is looking at her from sitting from the cupboard. Okay, she's sitting on the cupboard and It is looking at the cat. The mouse thinks she is looking very ill. The mouse thinks she is looking very ill. He comes sliding down the curtain. Now the mouse is feeling that this cat, she got hurt and she looks very ill. Okay, who thinks that? The mouse. The mouse thinks that the cat is very ill. It is looking very ill. So he comes sliding down the curtain, okay, to see that. Miss Moped looks worse and worse, and now Miss Moped was looking worse and worse. It is not looking fine. Okay, the mouse comes a little nearer. When Miss Moped was looking worse and worse, the mouse, what it did, it came nearer to the cat. Now Miss Moped holds her poor head in her paw and looks at him through a hole in the duster. See, here you can see the picture. This cat, it has tied a duster around its head. Okay, when this mouse saw that, he came near to the cat. Okay, because he was thinking that the cat is not well, it is looking ill. Okay, then Miss Moped holds her poor head. Then Miss Moped, it is holding his head with her paws. Okay, and it is looking at the mouse through a hole in the duster, through a small hole that is in the duster that it has tied around its head. Now she is looking at the mouse through a hole in the duster. Then the mouse came very close. By that time the mouse came very close, and then all of a sudden Miss Moppet jumps upon the mouse, when because Miss Moppet was looking at the mouse through the hole. Okay, when the mouse came closer to Miss Moppet, then what she did, suddenly it jumped. Okay, she jumps upon the mouse. And because the mouse has teased Miss Moppet think she will tease the mouse, which is not at all nice of her. Now, and because the mouse has teased Miss Moppet, we have seen that the mouse was looking at her, okay, sitting on the top of the cupboard, and it was teasing the cat. Okay, it was teasing, the mouse was teasing Miss Moppet. So, Miss Moppet thinks she will tease the mouse, which is not at all nice of her. So now she thinks, ki, okay, I will also tease the mouse now. Okay, which is not good. Okay, she ties him up in the duster. Now she called catch hold of the mouse, and then she ties the mouse in the duster and toss it about like a ball, and she tosses it, okay, like a ball. See, you can see here in the picture. Okay, the mouse is inside this duster, and he tosses the mouse like a ball, okay, with the duster. But she forget about the hole in the duster. There was a hole in the duster through which she was looking at the mouse, and she forgot about the hole in the duster. When she untied it, there was no mouse. But afterward, when she untied the duster, as she tied it, isn't it, ties the duster and make a toss about it like a ball. Okay, and the mouse was inside the duster. But as she forgot that there was a hole in the duster, as a result, when she untied the duster, she found that there was no mouse. He has wriggled out and run away, and he is dancing a jig on the top of the cupboard. Now, he was very clever also. The mouse was very clever. What it was doing, he was wriggling out. Okay, he was moving like this and this, round and round, and ran away. And he ran away. And then he is dancing a jig on the top of the cupboard. And then he was dancing, okay, on the top of the cupboard. Okay. So this is the end of the story, the tale of Miss Moppet. Okay, so here what we have learned in gist, we have learned about two animal, that is a rat, a mouse, and a cat. Okay, and we always know that cats are always after mouse, right? So there was once a cat. It wanted to catch hold of a mouse, but the mouse kept on making fun of the cat. At last, anyway, she managed to catch hold of the rat and tied him in a duster. Okay, he ties him up in the duster, but as there was a hole in the duster, the mouse managed to come out of the duster. Okay, and he ran away from there and started to dance. Okay, on the top of the cupboard. So this is a story about a cat and a mouse. Okay, so this is the end of the story. In the next class we will do the back exercises. These are the back exercises. In the next class we will do this. Okay, thank you.